Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Welcome to another video, thanks for clicking on it. So today we're here at Suunto HQ in the warehouse, and look at all of this. Beautiful sports watches. Here we've got the all brand new Suunto 7 watch, which I'm going to be unboxing. So let's get right into it, hey? So I have decided to give one of you lucky viewers a free Suunto 7 watch. All you have to do is subscribe to the button, just click it now real quick, go on. Or go on to the link down below and comment on that video, and I'll pick a winner by the end of this January month. And I'll ship it out to you for free. How easy is that? You've hardly got to do anything. Right, thank you very much for watching the video here at Suunto HQ. Signing out from the video. Thank you again for watching, and yeah. Now go away. Oh yeah, and don't forget, like and subscribe. Hello, welcome to Suunto HQ. We're here in the, what's it called?